Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google business profile. First, go to Google and type in business profile. Then click on the first link that pops up. From here, you want to click on sign in. Once you're signed in using your Gmail account, you want to create your business name. In my case, because I don't have a business, I'm going to click on NA. Then you want to select your type of business. So in this case, I'm going to select online retail. If you have a website, you can add your website here. But for me, I'm going to skip it. Then select your business category. You'll then need to put your business address. Then add your phone number. You can choose whether you want to get some news and tips about how to improve your business profile, or if you want to get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots. But in my case, I'm just going to leave these unchecked and click on continue. And then you'll have to go through the verification process. Because obviously I do not have a business myself, I am not going to go through this. However, all you have to do is just go through the verification steps, and then you'll have a business profile set out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.